severe thunderstorm warning for Spalding County in west central Georgia, southwestern Rockdale County in north central Georgia, southern DeKalb County in north central Georgia, Fayette County in north central Georgia, Henry County in north central Georgia, southwestern Bucks County in central Georgia, Coweta County in west central Georgia,
Rip the ass.
southwestern Fulton County in north central Georgia, Clayton County in north central Georgia, until noon Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Thomas Crossroads, or near Newnan, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Ooh.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Newnan, Griffin, McDonough, Fayetteville, Jackson, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, East Point, Stockbridge, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Fairburn, Hampton, Tyrone, Morrow, Lovejoy, and Hapeville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central, north central, and west central Georgia. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh no.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.